So I wanted to start by just showing some of the new additions to the code on my server.js file. We did add some set headers. I also added the swagger.js file, and that will connect us to Swagger Autogen and our local host if we choose to use that, as well as a couple of other folders, so our index and our swagger.json, which I do have here. That was auto created. Then if I go to routes, my index.js will lead me to my Swagger file, where I do have connections to Swagger UI Express and my Swagger JSON file, as well as creating a Swagger document in that file as well. Last, with controllers, we did just add Swagger tags to those as well. So to get into some test cases, I am just going to copy my render. I guess I don't really need to do that. I could just do it here. So, but I'm going to put it on this side. So, right from my render web address, it starts out with my hello world. If I add my API docs tag to that, my first get will bring up my hello world. My second get is going to show all of my contacts that I have up to this point. Now for my new tags here, I'm going to add a new user with my post. So we'll just put John Doe. All right. So if we hit execute on that, it does give us a 204, which is a good thing. For our code, if I go to users, as you can see right now, it's not going to show it, but if I hit execute, it did add John Doe. We go back, and I'm going to copy his information real quick. Now, if we go back to our put function, try that out and paste his information. Paste his ID up here. Make that here. So then I can just update a few little things about our friend John. Email. That way we have some more obvious things to see, and it's going to be his new favorite color. So if we execute that, you can see that our code is a 204 as well. So that is a good sign. If we go back to our users, again, nothing will update unless we hit execute. And then we do have John down rather than John Doe. Lastly, I think I still have his ID. I do. So then if we execute that, it does come up and say it's an error response. However, I have tried this a couple of times, and when I do go back to users, this time it didn't work. Last time it did. Let's see. Oh no, yeah. So when you execute it, it does in fact delete it for whatever reason. I'm not sure why I'm getting that error code. But that is all of the executions on my Swagger site.